Hello everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing. I was contacted by a company called Newacalox. It's Newacalox, and they're on Amazon. I'm not really sure how to pronounce her name. And they wanted to send me some of their tools. They have jewelry plier sets, jewelry making tools for and you can use them for other stuff too, not just jewelry. But I was really interested and I said yes. So I have all the information here and they're on Amazon. Now I will be putting a link below to a discount. It's good for 30 days. And then after that, I guess Amazon, you can't have like a lifelong discount code like some of the other ones. So then after that, I'll also have their regular Amazon link so that you can use it from there. So of course I already looked at this, and these are the products that they have. They've got like a little light system, and so really interesting. And they have this really cool wood, let me get this out of here. They have this really cool wood piece here that you can set them in like this. So how cool is that? So all 8 of them will be standing up in here. So I am really excited to go through these with you. So let me get everything unpacked. I'll be right back. Okay, so the first one I'm going to go with are the needle nose pliers. And these are, I'm just going to tell you, these are very well made. When you close them together, they close really nice. They don't have any gaps or anything, and you need that when you're doing that. This is 6 inches by 15 centimeters. It says needle nose pliers. They're useful for reaching into small areas where cables or other materials have become stuck or unreachable with fingers or other means. I'm just reading what they have down on their Amazon, because if people buy these, not just for jewelry, but for something else, that way they will know. So, and look at how nice this little thing is. I'm going to start using this. I'm really excited about this. And next, we all use these a lot, the bent. This is one piece. It's 5 inches by 13 centimeters. Bent nose pliers. They're specially built to work with awkward angles. They also keep your hands and tools itself out of the way so you can clearly see your focal workspace. So, and yeah, so when I open it up and close it, you see how it closes all the way? So these are really nice. Okay. Put that in here. I'm excited to use these. And the third one, we all use these a lot, the round nose pliers. And they have a nice comfortable grip on them. These are 5 inches by 13 centimeters. Round nose pliers, useful for creating loops in pieces of wire by electricians and jewelers, hence the name rosary pliers. So, yeah. So we got these. It was funny because I was just going to order some new stuff, some new tools, and then I got this message from them, and I was like, oh, okay, read my mind. And number 4 is the flat nose pliers. They're broad and straight. So this is them. And it says 4.9 inches by 12.5 centimeters. Edge jaws securely grasp flat parts and other extra leverage for twisting or bending, useful for making a bent wire, sheet metal, or other materials. Also handy for opening and closing jump rings. Yeah, I can totally see that. So this next one, I'll put that in there. And number 5 is chain nose pliers. Now I'm kind of confused because I can't Yeah, this looks like the chain nose pliers. Just wanted to make sure. This is 4.9 inches by 12.5 centimeters. Chain nose pliers, they're useful to manipulate small items and to make 90-degree bends in the wire. The flat side is for gripping small parts, head pins, ear wires, jump rings, etc. So, yeah, so that's this next one. I'm just going to keep the plastic off of them now. And this is 6. This is lineman pliers. Now, they didn't really give a definition for these. But they're kind of like the flat nose pliers, but they're thicker on the tip. So, and they have the little ridges on them. So we have these. If you know below what these are for, please let me know because I'm not familiar with them. I'm not sure. Lineman pliers. And then next are the cutters. One piece is 4.7 inches by 12 centimeters. Diagonal cutting pliers. And it is used to cut wire, screws, and nails of up to 5 millimeters in diameter, including copper, steel, pano wire, as well as steel, spring, and plastics. I know we use these a lot for cutting. These is definitely a used tool. Okay, and last but not least, now this is a really funky little instrument. See the way it is on the top. This is called an end nipper, and it's 4.1 inches, 10 centimeters. Can be used for pulling up nails and brads, shoe repairing, cutting and bending soft wires such as steel wire, iron wire, aluminum wire, alloy wire, cable tie, piano wire, and guitar strings. Oh, I should give these to my son. My son's a guitarist, or my son-in-law. They're both guitars. So yeah. So this is them, and I don't know if you can see without me tipping it all, but it's got their name right here. This is it's a heavy piece of wood here. And so this is the information, and like I said, there's support at Newacalox. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I will also leave out the links below for the their discount and everything. So stay tuned. I'm going to do a tutorial using them. Okay, so I'm going to make this earring right here using the tools. This is like a really fun boho earring, longer earring. And I have 2 eye pins that are each 2 inches long. I have 2 8-centimeter, they're kind of like ridged jump rings. I don't know if you can see it up close when I show you them, but they're kind of fun for dangling. Then I have a couple of cool a slipper bead and an AB bead, and then some rondelles. I've got 4 of them and a couple fire polish beads, and then an ear wire. And I'm going to be using my chain nose pliers, my cutters, and my round nose pliers. I use my round nose pliers probably a lot more than anything else, because even when I'm like turning, opening these and closing these, I like my round nose pliers because I can put it inside and turn that. So I pretty much use these for everything. So yeah, so this is what I'm going to be making today. So I'll start with the chain nose pliers, and I'm going to take the 1 eye pin. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm going to open that up a little bit, and I'm going to put that little round in there. Just make sure that's in there. Okay. And then I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to start out with the fire polish bead, and then the saucer bead, and then this really cool slipper bead. These are so much fun. And then another saucer bead like that. So I have that. So that's the bottom part of this. Now I'm going to take my round nose pliers, and I'm going to make sure that this is turned. Let me get that right up. Okay, so I'm going to see how that's going this way to the side. I'm going to have it so that I bend this to the side so it's going to match up with this bottom. So I bent that a little bit. And I take my cutters and I go down maybe about ½ an inch, something like that. I always close my eyes when I do this because if it flies out, and I start out on the bigger one and then I go down a little more. Just so you can get that perfect little round. Then I'm going to open this up. I'm going to put this other jump ring on. And I'm going to close it up. It's like that. Okay, so now I have that. And now I'm going to take this other eye pin and I'm going to open that up like that and dangle that through there. Get that, okay. So here we have this so far. Now I'm going to do the other fire polish bead like that. And then I'm going to do, I think these are called saucer beads. And then I'm going to do that one. And then another saucer bead. And a fire polish bead. See, and when you lay that next to that, matches perfectly. Now I'm going to take my round nose pliers and I'm going to make sure I'm going to be turning, see how that's like that to the side. So I want this to be to the side as well. So I bend that just a little bit. Make sure that's the same. Take my cutters. I go down with the flush side down like that. And cut that. Take my round nose pliers. And I just kind of work it till I have a nice hoop there. There we go. That, and we're going to open these up. And here we have this cute pair of boho earrings using the Newacalox. That's what I'm going to call it, Newacalox. Using their tools. And I will tell you, these, I don't remember how much these were. I think they were like $35 or something for all of these, which was a really good deal. Sorry, I don't remember the price. Yeah, I don't have the price on me. But yeah, so I will leave the link below to their Amazon and for the discount, and then their regular Amazon store for after this month is up. And then I don't know if they run discounts and stuff on their own, but yeah, definitely check them out because they were very well priced. And I mean, I love this little wood thing that I got with it and everything. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this unboxing. I think these are so cool. And yeah, so I was really happy with these. And thank you everybody for watching, and stay tuned. I've got another video set up. I know you're gonna love it. And all of my information is below as well, my Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, if you would like to follow me on any of those. And I appreciate each and every one of you watching. And you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon.